Now it's time to turn our attention to the 3D Experience platform. The simplest way to enter the 3D Experience platform is through a 3D dashboard. Think of this as the home page, which is made up of various widget applications which are available on the platform. I use a variety of dashboards depending on what I'm working on and how I'm working. Dashboards help me organize all the tools and all the content I may need to access for a particular task. I just started working on a suspension design project, so let me show you how to create a custom dashboard and share that with the team to provide a tailored experience that will help us all collaborate more efficiently. When you enter the 3D Experience platform for the first time, you will be taken to a default dashboard. This is the one called Solidworks xDesign. It contains the xDesign CAD widget and also the 3D Space widget for organizing 3D content. A kind of file explorer. These widgets are just containers for various web apps. You can arrange them and resize them any way you like. On a second tab, a 3D Swim widget is where you can access all your communities. Managing a dashboard is pretty discoverable. Just select the down arrow next to the dashboard name. The first arrow contains some basic commands you'll know what to do with. Below that is the Add Dashboard option, where you can start with an empty one or choose an existing dashboard as a starting place. I'll build up a new dashboard from scratch. Click on the 3D quadrant of the compass and there's xDesign. Drag this into the blank dashboard tab. This pins the widget to the tab. In the upper right hand corner I can minimize or maximize this widget. This icon brings up a menu of commands specific to the type of widget. For xDesign, this is where you set the units. You already know how to use the search bar and tags to find the 3D content. This brings up the search widget. If I click here, I can pin the search to my dashboard. That way my content search is always right alongside my xDesign widget. If I need more space, I'll just temporarily minimize xDesign. The search widget stays right where I left it. Now I'll add a second tab to this dashboard. I'll go to the north quadrant of the compass for social and collaborative apps. Here's the 3D Swim widget. Editing the preferences for this widget lets me choose the community platform. By default, this is set to display my tenant communities, those that are private or project specific. Changing this to Dassault Systems gives me visibility to the public communities. I want a third tab just for viewing content. On the 3D side of the compass, I'll find a 3D Play widget. 3D Play has both a browser widget, web app and native client app. I want the widget in my dashboard, and once again it's handy to have search widget alongside the 3D player. By the way, this is a great layout for viewing on a mobile device. I'd like one more tab to organize some of my project documentation. The east side of the compass contains the information intelligence apps. I want the web page reader widget. Now I just paste any URL. For instance, here's my project spreadsheet. It's a live Google Sheet embedded right in my dashboard. Quick Links is another widget that will come in handy for this project. That should give me all the tools I need to see this project organized into a self-contained dashboard, accessible from any device. Now that I have my dashboard assembled, it's time to share it. I can share a copy of the dashboard to any team members, either by name or email, or a third option is even more powerful. If I choose Manage Members, this makes the dashboard a live link to anyone I invite. Members can either be readers or owners. Giving another user owner access means they can make changes. and with a refresh the dashboard is live and up to date for all members. You just saw how a dashboard can be your homepage in the 3D Experience platform. Creating, customizing and sharing dashboards is a great way to tailor your experience for a given task or project. Try out these ideas for yourself to make your xDesign experience even more fun and productive. And while you're at it, explore some of the other apps and widgets in the compass. Keep on practicing with Solidworks xDesign and be sure to play with the dashboard creation. Until next time, have a good one.